Hello, good morning everyone. Today I am going to take a lecture of basic statistics. This is our third chapter. What is the basic statistics? Statistics is the science which deals with the collection, presentation, analysis of numerical data. So the measure of central tendency, this is first topic in your basic statistics chapter. What is a measure of central tendency? An average is a single value which can be taken as a representative of the whole distribution. There are given five types of measure of central tendency or average which are commonly used. Central tendency may we have five types of average. First is arithmetic mean, second is median, third is mode, fourth is harmonic mean, and next is geometric mean. So we have five types of measure of central tendency, but in our syllabus we have only three types: arithmetic mean, median, and mode. So what is the arithmetic mean? AM. The arithmetic mean of a set of observation is their number of sums and the number of observations. Sums divided by the number of observation. We already know that how we find the average. Let x1 comma x2 up to xn. We have n terms. Be an observation. Number of observation is n. Then their average or arithmetic mean is given by x bar. Okay, the notation is x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 up to xn whole divided by n. And that means what? Number of observation. In other terms, we can write this type of format: summation I is equal to 1 to n xi divided by n, small n, number of observation, is equal to summation x upon n. Summation x, that means what? The sum of all the values x1, x2 up to xn. In an observation consists of n distinct values denoted by x1, x2, xn of the variable x occurring with the frequency. If in case we are given in the variable x and also given in frequency, so f1, f2, fn, then the arithmetic mean is given by is equal to x1 multiply f1 plus x2 multiply f2 up to xn multiply fn, and whole divided by the sum of the frequency. That means what? f1 f2 fn up to fn. Okay, so in case if we are given in only the value of x, then we find the average. The formula is summation x upon n. And if in case we are given in variable x and frequency also, then we find the average is what? The formula is x1 f1 plus x2 f2 up to xn fn and divided by the sum of the frequency. So our formula is the arithmetic mean x bar is equal to summation fx. Fx, that means what? The frequency, multiplication of frequency and number of variables, multiply, after that we sum this column and divided by summation f. Summation s को हम capital N भी write करते हैं. Okay, so this is an example. Find the arithmetic mean. So x, value of x is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the frequency is 25, 45, 90, 165, 112, 96, 81, 26, 18 and 12. So if we are given in the only x, then sum all these values and divided by the number of terms, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divided by 10. But in this question F is also given, that means frequency is given. Then we find the third column is multiply x into f. Then 5 into 25, 6 into 45, 7 into 90, 8 into 165, 9 into 112, 10 into 96, 11 into 81, 12 into 26, 13 into 18, and 12 into 12. So this column is our fx column. Then sum all these values. This is called the summation fx. So summation fx is 5918. So what is the formula of the arithmetic mean? The formula is x bar is equal to summation fx upon summation f. What is the meaning of the summation x? First we hide the summation. Summation को आप hide करो, then our column is fx. We find the column is fx. After that we get the values of summation fx. So summation fx is 5918, and the summation f is what? All the sum of these values, the frequencies, this is 670. So our x bar is at 0.83. Got it? The next question is, we are given in the class interval. Okay, class interval in marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. So we are given in the number of students. Number of student, that means was frequency. Number of students, number of person, number of product. All this type of values are the frequency. So given in 12, 18, 27, 20, 58. Okay. So we finding the arithmetic mean. We get one column small x. Small x is the mid value. So 0 to 10, what is the mid value is 5. 10 to 20, mid value is 15. 20 to 30, mid value is 25. 30 to 40, mid value is 35. 40 to 50, mid value is 45. And 50 to 60, mid value is 55. So we have two column. First is x and the second one is f. So what is the method? Method is that we find the value of fx. So 12 into 5, 60. 18 into 15, 270. 27 into 25, 675, 20 into 35, 700, 15 into 45, 675, and 8 into 55 is 440. After that, we find the value of summation fx. So what is the value of the summation fx? Is equal to 2820. And we find the value of summation f or capital N, both are same. Okay, so the number of students is summation f is equal to 100. So our formula is x bar is equal to summation fx divided by summation f. Got it? So what is the value of the summation fx? The value of the summation fx is 2820. So divided by summation f, and the value of the summation f is 100. So we get the answer 28.20. This is two types of example. If we are given only in the value of x and f, and if our question given in the class interval format. Okay, so next question is, the class interval given is 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 26, 32 to 40, and 40 to 48. And the frequencies are 8, 7, 16, 24, 15, and 7. So first we find the mid value of the class interval, because we find the value of x, column of x. So 0 to 8, mid value is 4. 8 to 16, mid value is 12. 16 to 24, mid value is 20. 24 to 32, mid value is 28. 32 to 40, mid value is 36. And 40 to 48, mid value is 44. So we find all two column f and x. So finding the arithmetic mean x bar, we have fx. Okay, fx is what? 8 into 4, 7 into 12, 16 into 20, 24 into 28, 15 into 36 and 7 into 44. So we get the values of summation fx is 1956 and the value of f is what? Sum of all the numbers और सभी numbers को sum कीजिए तो summation f is equal to क्या आया 77. So what is the formula of the x bar? X bar is equal to summation fx upon summation f. Don't be confused. If you confuse in the how we find the fx, so first you hide the summation. You hide the summation and find the column of fx. Okay, so our answer is 1956 divided by 77 is equal to 25.403. Okay, next question is arithmetic mean from assumed mean. What is the meaning of the assumed mean? Assumed mean, that means we consider any value according to our column of x. So if the value of x and f are large, the calculation of mean becomes quite time consuming and tedious. In some such cases, the mean A is in the table as that value of a mid value of the class interval which corresponding to the highest frequency for which comes near the middle value of the f. Okay, this number is called the assumed mean. That means what? The formula of the assumed mean is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd upon capital N. Okay, a is assumed mean, f is frequency, d is equal to x minus a. X minus a, that means what? X is the column and a is our assumed mean divided by capital N or summation fs. So the question is the value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and the value of f is 2, 8, 43, 133, 207, 260, 213, 120, 54, 9 and 1. So in this question, we use the assuming. Okay. So what is the assuming? Assuming we consider in the middle number of our column of x. जो आपका x को column है 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a 5 in middle number. So a is equal to 5. Then we make next column d is equal to x minus a. That means what? 0 minus 5, that means minus 5, 1 minus 5 minus 4, 2 minus 5 minus 3, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1 and 5 minus 5 0. So 6 minus 5, 7 minus 5. So we get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, got it? Then again we find the column of FD. FD का column find करना है. Then the multiply F and D. So 2 into minus 5 minus 10, 8 into minus 4, 43 into minus 3, 133 into minus 2, 207, 3 into minus 1, 260 into 0, 213 into 1, 120 into 2, 54 into 3, 9 into 4 and 1 into 5. So we get the summation FD. Summation FD is equal to 12 and the summation F is equal to what? 1050. So our formula is x bar is equal to A plus summation FD upon capital N or summation F. So we put all these values in this formula. X bar is equal to A. A means what? 5 plus summation FD. Summation FD is equal to 12 and divided by summation F. Summation F means 1050. So solve this step, we get the values of 5.0114. So this is the formula of assumed mean, and we find the arithmetic mean. Okay, next is median. What is the median? Median is the central value of the variable when the values are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitudes. Median, that means what? First we arrange the value of x is ascending or in descending order. Okay, it divides the distribution into two equal parts. वो two equal parts में divide होता है. That means what? When the observations are arranged in the order of their size, when the observations are arranged in the order of their size, median is the value of that item which has equal number of observation among either type. Okay, so if values are in odd number का values given है, then middle term आपको मिलेगी, we get the middle term. But in case the values are even number, then in our middle term we have two values. Got it? That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The middle term is 3. But in case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have two middle terms 3 and 4. So this type of question, the middle two values is we plus all these two middle values and divided by 2. So I will continue this session, this method in our next session.